I come to Atiku.
Oh, that's Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. That's the PDP presidential candidate of 2019 election. He has been running Esther Skater, sir.
He
going
has
to the
failed.
court.
He can never issue cease from this case of tribunal. Because I told him that time, I said Abiola will win the election, that something should be done. He didn't even come to listen to us because he got the money.
He said that Buhari will win or he will win. That something
will win, but none of them just ask of anything. Anything should be done. So all what he's doing now is wasting his money. That's how I told President Jonathan that time. He cannot win. He cannot do that. We should do something for him. He went and gave his money to wrong people.
Saying it then city people all the time in the magazine. There was always an advert that he need to come for cleansing. His wife to need cleansing. That there is a kind of spiritual facade around their head that is hanging. So, sir, is it the same thing that affected?
If from a river area, that's something we should do to that river area there. You know, that's something we should do, yeah. But he don't care because people believe their money. I told Atiku don't believe because they believe in money. Me now, I'm created by God. I don't believe in anybody's money except the one that God sent to me. And those who that are hearing me now, I don't gloating people or take bad money or begin to say, okay, go and bring this, and bring that. I don't do that too. And those who came to me, they are now rejoicing now. Except those who doesn't have belief. They just branch, let me do medicine. I'm not God now. So they are really enjoying. So all those who say Buhari is not this is not I don't know about it. Buhari should start the corruption. Should be arresting people. Even example of this area, Ejigbo and Okota, Nago. They are criminal around. They stay in the hotel all their life. So they should come to the hotel and scream out the whole hotel.
EFCC. Economical criminals.
Yes.
Like barons.
Yes.
Drug and people that are into trafficking, child trafficking.
They should go around to arrest all of them so that they will know what to do. If they come the area, the whole Nigeria will be so peaceful.
Maybe you need the Inspector General's intelligence police scheme to come and get all this.
Yes, if they try, they will see a lot of it that I've been telling them. Like I told them when Okiro was a commissioner of police in Lagos that time, that most of those people in the motor park, they are the one holding arms for armed robbers. So I said they should be checking all those mama telling something. And they checked them, they got sort of thing. I know what they gave me that time, but everything is for God. So they should try. So President Buhari should not fear anything, you know, but he should not do it so say, I hate this, I hate that. Not that one.
Hate any tribe.
He should not hate anybody. Fluently as God sent him. He should arrest them and keep them in the wrong. So that all those people, they will know something. You know, they are too much. And at the same time too, I advise the president to open the border, Seme.
The Seme border?
Yes.
Because they are trying to stop rice so that they can grow local rice.
No. If they stop it, they open border, term of crime will so come down. No crime again. Like I say, I'm not a criminal, I'm not a businessman. It's what I see from the oracle that I say. If they happen to, it will boost economy and everything will break up and will come up. And then people are suffering, you know. So if they open the border, the job we are doing is it will be so low, you know. And at the same time too, I advise this Colonel, who is now the head of the
Colonel Hamid Ali of the custom. Ali UK is a very brilliant and very no nonsense.
Very intelligent. He should tell those people at the airport that they should not use his name to rub bad in his name. Those custom officers in the airport, they are rogues.
International airport?
Yes.
Are you talking about those in charge of luggage or what?
In charge of luggage. They will go on anybody. Somebody who is representing Nigeria outside the country as a activist. They don't even know. they will tear their bag and will not see the load again. They will share the load among themselves. They are doing as if they are God. Even soldier doesn't do so. Those doesn't do so because I'm a custom officer. I work here. I do this. It's not the best, you know.
Where do they take the goods to? Does it disappear or they just
They
pack
go
in
to
another bag?
disappear,
Do they pack in another bag?
They will share it among themselves.
They pack in another bag. Maybe they repackage it.
And sell it. They are very wrong.
Custom has become so useless like that, sir. So are you saying that custom the boss should know about it immediately and should do a reform in that airport?
Yes, they should change them. You should change all of them there, because somebody was reporting that time that is a human activist. So they say they don't want to hear. They tear his box and carry out. Imagine somebody who bought something from overseas. You think somebody can bring goods from overseas without proper this thing, checking and this thing? So in Nigeria they are checking. They are asking of the ticket. They are asking of the receipt. Somebody buying baby things just for baby to be playing. Baby toys. Receipt of the baby toy. Up and down. It's very wrong.
Something that a lot of people buy from free duty. They still steal it again. Are you aware of those that are even putting drug in people's bag? That something happened in Saudi Arabia recently. They put a drug in a lady's. They put drug in a lady's box and in a man's box. And
but there's a machine to be tested.
They nearly arrested them. No, they put the drug, and when they get to Saudi, if they escape screening, they can come and meet them in their hotel and collect the bag and tell them that there's a drug there and give them money. But in this case, they caught a lady who didn't know they put that drug in her bag, and there's another man. It was the federal government that have to intercede and wrote to Saudi Arabia that they don't know until they now did the finding in the airport in Kano. Now caught them, and they are syndicates. They are not just in Kano airport; they are almost everywhere. They put things in that people's bag, and they now monitor those people to the country they are going. If those people escape, they come and meet you in your hotel and say, we did so to your bag, but please take so money. Just give us that thing we put in your bag. So sir, what can you do? What can you take government to do this kind of people?
That is why I'm saying that they should so strict with those custom officers, because they take law into their hands. They are not doing the work they give to them. Imagine now going to Idiroko now. Like me, I go to Idiroko nearly every day there. You see what they are doing there? Now money. Instead of to be arresting people, they be harassing all those young girls that come to Nigeria. Maybe they come and marry. Maybe they say you want to come and do a house girl, this and that. It's not the best.
It just creates crisis around.
So they should take care about that airport customs. They are not doing the actual work they ask them to do. Very, very bad. And people are.
You're talking about those that are using blade to cut people's
bag, and they still those things there.
Gift items and the provision they buy from abroad to now convey to their own family and go and see.
Somebody was telling me that if they cut that bag, after coming out from the room, the owner cannot see. Can the owner arrest the customer? He cannot do anything. You can carry his empty bag, continue to go home with bad mind.
The person now lay cost on the customer.
Definitely. But those who will not have the mind, not everybody have that type of mind. You know, look at what is happening in Nigeria now. They are blaming Buhari. Imagine what happened to them in the Bible that time. If the people are doing bad, God will give them bad ruler. God will give them somebody strict, so that their things will change. That's it.
Just to punish them.
Just to punish them. But now, if they say Buhari, does Buhari create human being? They are not called human being. He's ruling according to the paper, according to the law. You know, just do your own. Don't even just worry. See what worry Nigeria now. What Nigeria needs is they should talk about education. The education is too much. The money they are paying is too much. Why don't they have fixed money on noticing? Some have 3 children, 4 children, where they are paying 100,000. Where are they working? Not this Nigeria where they cannot pay 30,000. They cannot pay even 30,000 for civil servant. how will they get the money?
Religious universities are collecting so much money, 500,000, 1 million.
That's what I'm saying. And you know, like we see this Jima Ibrahim,
billionaire Jimo that has energy.
See the death of his mother.
Just born inside the candle.
Born for a house, water, and that's all. That's a lesson for some people. You know, imagine this Dangote now. Dangote have big money, and he's accumulating money every day. Does he think that we spend money in the heaven? We don't do that. If you happen to be doing some cost of scholarship, giving scholarship to them, that will leaving most of his sins. Nobody ever created in life doesn't have sin. So Nigeria should be very repenting. They should not say Buhari is not the best. They are the one committing within themselves, and they are going to suffer. Yes, that's what I see for them.
What advice are you going to give Buhari on ministerial list? People that is going to choose for minister, what do you think he should do this time around to get good minister that are going to do road, going to continue with road projects, transportation and power and all that?
That is why I was telling them they should recognize either an imam, either a traditional healer, before they go anything they do, before they tell the traditional people. Now they don't tell traditional people, how will they succeed? They can never succeed now. See in India, see in London, there's all these spiritualists working with the government. They won't do it publicly, they will consult. After consultation, they will come and reveal it again. They will not make it openly.
Before they release a political list or leadership list, so you have to consult.
Yes, they need to consult. That is the real thing they should supposed to do. But they want to give money to them, and they are giving money to yeye people. Yeye people, some go buy 20 cars, begin the dash car to people. Some have money now. The Bullion Fund carry money for his house to everywhere. If anything happen to him, he will not worry. He just be doing this thing. It's not the best. They should repent. Forget about somebody going to church. Forget about somebody going to Muslim churches. This and that. It's not the best. What you can do towards yourself and God is what God will take from you. Since we have been doing this program for me now, if I not acted well, you see a lot of people talking to me in Facebook. Lot of people say, I don't mind that, I don't do it too. Anything part to heal somebody or to take somebody to good level, I will not do it. Say, I want to have money. I say, go to central bank. Break the central bank with your axe. You will get money. See my house, I don't have merit of money. But protection. Because when you protect yourself, God too will answer your prayer. So you now, you are doing your work now. You never do the work say because of money. You say are looking for money. Nobody is not looking for money, but not in a wrong way. Because on every action, but there must be opposite and equal reaction. Yes. Kò sí ẹni tó lọ́gbọ́n jọ Ọlọ́run lọ. Olúwa ọba ló lọ́gbọ́n ju gbogbo wa lọ. Ẹlòmíì sìn. Himself and the wife will be going on about to do bad medicine to the husband. After a short time, the wife will die. He take his penalty. So his life. Some people want to take his wife, want to take the wife to go and do money. You know, during the process they will reveal and get them. It's God. Anything one have to do, just place your hand like this. That's all. Yes.